Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on an Olight M2T Warrior. Now I was sent this by Skyben and they have an Amazon store, comes in this box, and we'll go ahead and show you the specifications on the box, show you that light output, and we're going to concentrate on that. 1200 lumens on turbo. If you need more time to read this, go ahead and pause the screen, but let's wait no further. Let's open this up and see what's in. Okay. Go ahead and separate the packaging here. Comes with the holster here. And it's got a hole there on the top and the bottom there. Not really much padding on this. So feels like the lanyard is in here. Alright, lanyard's pretty nice. And of course, comes with this instruction on that tail switch, which we'll go over it in the video. And has, of course, the user manual. We've already gone over some of this stuff, telling you how to work the light a little further. And we'll go ahead, take a look at the light. Now Skyben is nice enough to include in this bundle package an option to get an upgraded 18650 cell, but this does come with two RC123As, and we'll go ahead and show those to you now. Comes with a little battery adapter there, so you can run those. I won't be using this in my test, but in any case, this is good to me for like emergency use. Now using this option here, you're not going to get the highest output this light can provide. So we'll go ahead and set this to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and bring in the battery that Skyben provides for this. Okay, now this is the battery, comes in this case. So this is the one I'm going to show you here before I put the light high discharge current battery here from Olight. 3500 milliamps, 18650. This is a protected cell. Okay, so show you, and the spring down inside, can't take the barrel off the head there, sorry about that. Straight contact point. Now remember, this is the positive end on this side, shows you there on the tail cap. So we're going to go ahead and put the battery in here, put this together, and we'll show you the light here. Now this is very similar to the Olight M2R that I had tested previously. It's got the two-way clip on that. You can do it there or there. Excellent machining. Finish on this is outstanding. Signature blue bezel there, and this is running the Cree XHP 35 LED. That is a textured reflector. Button is pretty flush with the body. You can remove that clip too, by the way, if you don't want it. Knurling here on the tail cap here. Really a nice design. Okay, well, let's go ahead and go through the UI since I showed you everything else already. And now we're going to go ahead. Now the tail switch here has 3 options on it. You can half press that to get turbo. So you got instant access to turbo just by half pressing. You can full press that for turbo to stay on. And then of course you can fully press and hold that for strobe. So it's kind of a nice tactical feature to that. Not really a big fan of strobe, so having to press and hold rather than just clicking that on, half pressing it, or full pressing that, I like that better. Okay, now we're going to go over the side switch. Side switch, you turn that on, and you can press and hold that to go through the light outputs. Then of course you can double click on this, get your turbo, 1200 lumens. And with this high amp battery on this, you're going to get some really good run times. It's got a nice hot spot, a little bit of a bleed here before it goes to the spill. That is really bright. Okay, and now you can simply press and hold that to go back down to the next level of light outputs. And then of course from off, you can press and hold this, has a hidden moonlight, and that is really low. And that's a nice feature. Now, from any light output, you can triple click it to get strobe. And then of course you can just click that one time quickly to turn that off. And you've got yourself an excellent quality flashlight. A lot of features on this. This isn't rechargeable USB wise, so let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Olight. Now this is the 1200 lumen, and we're going to go ahead and use the side switch in this test. Start it off on low, making usually up to 35 feet, maybe a little bit more. On this light output is pretty impressive. Alright. We're going to go up to the next level. A little bit of a step up there. Making 65 feet there. Alright. Okay, we're going to go to the next level. There we go. And this is doing really good too. A lot of light coming from this. And it is making faintly the tree of life. Very impressed. We're going to go to the next level. Give you a sense of light output for this thing. Amazing. Wow. Not quite making it to the park there, but definitely got some light output here. And we'll try it on the turbo here next. And I'm going to go ahead and turbo it now. All right. Wow, look at that. 1200 lumens. That's amazing. A lot of light output on this level. Wow. Fence line, tree line. That looks really nice. All right. We'll end the shot on this nice and wide angle shot here. Look at that. Amazing. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This is pretty impressive light. Build quality is outstanding. Performance is really good. Also comes with the option of having 2 of these in an emergency use, or you can use them regularly. Non-rechargeable cells or rechargeable cells you can use in that configuration. All in all, just an outstanding light. I like the feature on the tail switch a little bit better than on the other model, but the other model is programmable, so having the USB rechargeable magnetic is also a plus for the other model. Now this one here is a cheaper version as far as price wise. Now Skyband has a bundled package where it comes with that very nice high quality cell, which makes this a very nice and attractive package deal. The only thing you'll need, of course, is a dedicated charger, but in any case, most people that have these type of flashlights do have some type of charger, but if you don't, you can easily buy one. Now I just want to thank Skyband again for sending me this to review. This kit here comes with the extra cell if you want, or you can just get the regular OEM option, which will come with this cells. Either way, you're getting a nice quality product, and it's going to ship quick because they've already got supplies here in the United States. So again, head over there to their Amazon store for some great deals as well as light bundles. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of kits and options to upgrade in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.